Hello students, in today's class, chapter 9, data structure part 6, we learned two-dimension list. So, in this type of list, all elements stored in row and column format. So, in general, one-dimensional list, all elements stored in a linear format. If we want to store our data in row and column format, that time we will use two-dimensional list. So, number of elements will be equal to multiplication of row and column, and two-dimensional list is called list of list. Like here we have list A, which has three separated lists. First list is 1 2 3, second list is 4 5 6 7, and third list is 7 8 9. So list inside list is called two-dimensional list. So here A has three lists which has 3 row and 3 column. So here A is a list which has 3 lists, and every list has same length, which is 3. It means every list contains 3 elements. So it will store in memory like this. First row is 1 2 3, second row is 4 5 6, and third row is 7 8 9, and first column is 1 4 7, second column is 2 5 8, and 3 6 9 is third column. So here we have 3 column and 3 row. So 3 into 3 is equals to 9 elements are there. So here we write number of elements will be equal to multiplication of row and column. So like in a list, if we have 3 elements, 3 row and 2 columns, then it means 3 into 2, it will have 6 elements. Generally, two-dimensional lists are two types: regular two-dimensional list and ragged list. So first is regular two-dimensional list. First is regular two-dimensional list. In this type of list, all elements of list have same dimension and length. Like we have a list A which has 3 rows and 3 columns, and every list has only 3 elements. This list has 3 elements, this list has 3 elements, and this has 3 elements. So it has same length of same dimension. So this type of list is known as regular two-dimensional list. So here A is a list which has 3 lists, and every list has same length, which is 3. Our second type of list example is ragged list. In this type of list, all elements of list have different dimension and length. Like this list A, first list contain 3 elements and second list contain 2 elements. So it has different dimension and different length. So this is called ragged list. Here A is list which has 2 lists, and first list length is 3 and second list length is 2. So length is different. So this type of list is known as ragged list. So today we learned another example of two-dimensional list is traversing of two-dimensional list. So this is our example. So let's run the example in Python. This is our example. So we run this example first, then we will understand. So I write first element 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our two-dimensional list. First row contain 1 2 element, and second row contain 3-4 elements. So now we understand this program. Here in first loop we execute our loop from 0, 2, 1, and also in second loop 0, 2, 1. Here also 0, 1, 0, 2. So first loop will execute to input enter element in list. So and second loop will print the list in 2 dimension. So loop inside loop, first loop is for how many rows we want, and second row how many columns we want. So in this list we input 2 row and 2 column, and again same loop we input 2 row and 2 column. We print 2 row and 2 column. First, whenever first loop will execute, the row will be equal to empty. We create a list, row is empty, then we input all elements in row, and this row will append in main list A. And same time again second time loop will execute, second row will be created and we input element in second row and add all row in our main list. Then we are going to print our 2-dimensional list. Again we execute the program. So like I enter 5, sorry, again I execute the program. Run module. So here I write 5, 10, 20, 25. So our matrix is 5, 10, 20, 25. So in today's class we learned how we can define 2-dimensional list and how it will be stored in memory, and types of 2-dimensional list, which is equals to regular 2-dimensional list and rag list. If list dimension and length is same, then this list is known as regular 2-dimensional list, and list dimension and length is different, then this is known as ragged list. Then we understand the program of 2-dimensional list of traversing